It's a game changer. I've used a lot of other competitors. Milwaukee's is by far the best I've ever used. The speed, the durability, the torque of it, comfortable to use, everything just fits your hand. And at the end of the day, your hand's not cramping up from using it all day.
I haven't used any tool that was this compact with it anywhere near this much power on it.
The head of the new ratchets are so much smaller, so that makes it a lot easier because you don't have to go in with the wrench first, break it free, and then go in with the ratchet. So it just saves you time and money.
Fits your hand way better than a lot of the other ones I've used. It weighs a lot less. It's not as much fatigue.
First thing I noticed about holding my hand, it fit perfectly. It was comfortable. The size and the weight difference is dramatic. My arm's not sore at the end of the day.
With these new ratchets, with the modular trigger, some areas you might need a button, others you can use a paddle. It's so multi-purpose, you can use it on almost anything.
So light, so strong, and it does what we need to do. There's no reason not to use the tool.